Hey, welcome to the Too Fast channel. In this video we're going to be showcasing the new exhaust I installed on my Volkswagen EOS VR6. I'm going to be narrating over some still photos, so I'm going to try and keep my voice and what I'm describing synced with the photos so you can kind of follow what's going on. I'm going to talk about the stock exhaust and then what I installed. And then at the end, you're going to listen to two clips. The first clip is the complete stock exhaust. The second clip will be the finished aftermarket exhaust. So on the EOS VR6 specifically, we've got two pipes coming down that feed into two main catalytic converters, which you can see in these clips right here. This may not be the same for the four-cylinder. I don't know what the four-cylinder EOS looks like, and this may not be the same for other vehicles that have the VR6 motors. This is specific to the VR6 Volkswagen EOS. Out of those catalytic converters, the two pipes flow into two front resonators. These two resonators are going to be kept for this installation, and they flow into a single larger pipe which flows the exhaust back to the left side of the car, curves around, and we'll see that picture here in just a second. You can see that there's a round resonator mounted in that location, surrounded by a heat shield. This is the item that's being replaced. This is being cut out and replaced with a Magnaflow model 10416 muffler, and the pipe coming out of that will also be custom. And so there's, okay, now we're at the this is the stock exhaust on the EOS. This is going to be replaced completely. You'll also notice, if you look closely at the far left tip, there is a exhaust flapper valve that's vacuum controlled. Under mid to high throttle, it actually opens. On lower throttle, that left pipe is actually closed, so not dissimilar to what the R32 has. Now we're going to take a look at what was actually done. So you can see that the resonator has been replaced with the Magnaflow 10416 muffler, and you've got new piping that curves around into the back of the car, and the rear muffler has been removed. You can see there's a new hanger. There's also another hanger that's not shown in this picture, but there's actually two new hangers installed. And at the end here, we're going to take a look at the tips. The tips are a common 2-into-1 tip. Keep in mind though, you're limited on space on the bumper opening. Large 3-inch tips are not going to fit. These are smaller. These are like 2.75 tips. And all of the new pipe is the same as the old pipe. It's 2.5 inches. So now we're going to take a look at the exhaust clips. Volkswagen EOS VR6 stock exhaust test. startup and rev of my Volkswagen EOS VR6 with aftermarket exhaust system installed.